Before we begin creating our index page, let's create a controller for eye contact. So what we're gonna do, we're going to create a folder for controller, service, and repository. Okay. Under controller, let's create a get mapping for our index page that will take us to the view and display the index page. Under controller, let's create a Java file and let's name it contact controller. And under here, let's annotate it as a controller since we are returning a view, and that is a stereotype controller package. Let's create a map for our index that will take us to our index page. Let's use the get mapping annotation. There you go. GitHub Copilot have some suggestion here. However, let's make a path for our index as empty, and it will return a string since we are returning a view. And let's name it as list all contact. And our input argument here is model map. And let's return our index page. And there you go. Let's import this model map here. There you go. So let's try and run this one. And there we go. Localhost with /empty, and it will return a white label error page since we haven't made our index.html file yet. Okay, let's create our index page. So let me show how to do that. Under resource and template, let's create a new file and name it index.html. So let me pass forward this one and let me create an index file. So what we did here, we open an HTML tag and close it down below, and inside we have a body, we have a head, body, and inside the head we add a title that will be the title of our tab, and we'll be planning to add a bootstrap and a CSS styling and a jQuery script inside our header. And inside our body tag we have our header, and inside our header we have a logo and a title, contact management system under span tag. And inside our body we have header, nav, main, and footer. We haven't closed the footer yet. There you go. So inside navigation bar, we've created a button here, button link for home and contact. So we will be adding more items in our left navigation bar, and we will be styling it by the end of our tutorial or workshop. And inside our main we added a title, page title. We've used h1 tag to make a header, string, contact, and inside our main we will be planning to list all contacts here. And next, inside our footer we added a string, a logo of copyright claim, and the name of the developer. So let's see that. Let me refresh this, and let's go to our and there you go. So we have the phone logo, this header, title, app name, our navigation, the h1 tag or page title, and our footer with a copyright symbol. So here, let me add a table for contact, which we will be displaying. Okay, so what we did here inside our main and our table, let me add a comment here, contact table. We added a table with a header for four columns: the name, phone number, email address, and action. And under action we will be adding buttons under action. So let's I added a sample data here, and we will be making it a dynamic table row, and we will be pulling data from our database. So for our name we have John Doe, contact number this one, and table data for our email. And under here we'll be adding our buttons like so. So as we can see, GitHub Copilot suggested a table column here, table data tag with edit update button. Okay, let's take that one and let's close. Okay. Let's add a new button here. Let's say this one is details. This one is update button. This one is update contact, and this one is delete contact. Okay, so this are button with an ID. Let's put that later. Let's remove this one. We don't need that one. Okay, and details. This is a update button, and this is a delete button. So under here we'll be using the bootstrap, button danger, button primary for those two. So we will be expecting blue buttons for details and update, and red button for delete. So let's go back here, and there we go. However, as you can see, we don't have a pre-styled button because we haven't added our bootstrap here under the header. So we will be adding that later on. So what I did here is link up our bootstrap CSS file and a Ajax file, and under footer we've added a source for our jQuery and bootstrap. Let's refresh our page, our index page. We'll see the changes. So as we can see, we can now view the logo of our navigation bar, home and contact item, and we have our table pre-styled and a button here, and our 3 buttons here, pre-designed, pre-styled by bootstrap, details, update, and delete.